Ayanga komiti mabiro nono gope duto ma sirkal nigodo e kuonde thieth mapacho ka manochiwo chenro mag thieth kokalo e okumba mar NHIF. Jatend migawo mar thieth Eden Duale ochiko komiti no motelie kod James Masiro Oje mondo oket maino e nono kuonde thieth manyawawa, nonro mag jotuo mabandia, rang'eny mar thieth manigi to kaachiel kod gope maler mag sirkal nigodo e kind nonro mamoko.
Your first mandate is to scrutinize, verify the authenticity of all the pending medical claims. You have a function of establishing a clearly defined criteria and a robust framework for detailed claims examination, analysis of such pending medical claims with a view to make a determination on the genuineness of each or otherwise. Identify and recommend actions on any fraudulent, false, and exaggerated claims. Identify any cases where they may have been corrupt, fraudulent, and false medical claims, and make appropriate recommendation to the relevant government agencies that are concerned with that. Make recommendations to Ministry of Health on the necessary actions to be taken for satisfactory disposal or settlement of the identified pending medical claims. And lastly, propose reforms or measures that will ensure or prevent the recurrence of unverified or accumulated claims